Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to watch White Lotus Season 3, the next highly anticipated installment of the hit HBO series. If you're wondering when it's coming out and how you can watch it, we've got you covered. Step 1. Subscribe to HBO Max. Season 3 of The White Lotus will be available for streaming on HBO Max, so the first thing you'll need is an active HBO Max subscription. Visit the HBO Max website or download the app on your preferred device. Choose a subscription plan, standard or ad-free. Log into your account or sign up if you don't already have one. Step 2. Wait for the release date. Currently, Season 3 of The White Lotus is scheduled to release in 2024, although an exact date hasn't been confirmed yet. Stay tuned for updates from HBO. Step 3. Streaming on HBO Max. Once the season is released, you'll be able to watch all episodes of Season 3 on HBO Max. Go to the Series section on HBO Max. Select The White Lotus. Click on Season 3 and start streaming the latest episodes. Step 4. Watch on other platforms, if available. If you're outside the US, you might also be able to watch The White Lotus Season 3 on other streaming services, depending on your region. Some regions have HBO content available via services like Sky TV, UK, or Crave, Canada. Conclusion. To watch White Lotus Season 3, you'll need an HBO Max subscription, and once the season drops in 2024, you can enjoy all the drama, luxury, and mystery that this show has to offer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates and guides on The White Lotus and other shows.